How to add collaboration on Instagram post after posting. The first thing you want to do is just simply access or log into your Instagram account. Now, once you're here, just simply go to your profile and then choose a specific post that you would like to add a collaboration with. So, for example, this one. Just simply press on the three dots located at the top right corner of your screen and scroll down till you find edit. So from here, you can just simply change anything from your post, even if it is already posted. Now, since we're adding a collaboration, all you have to do is just to press on Edit Paid Partnership label. Just tap on that. Now you'll have to enable it so that you'll be able to add collaboration or partners with your post. Now, other phones may not be able to see the specific option here, like the Edit Paid Partnership label. Now, if you cannot see it, all you have to do is to go all the way back and then go back to your profile, tap on the three lines, scroll all the way down till you find help, and tap on that, report a problem, report a problem without shaking, include and continue. Now in here, you'll just have to explain that, please help. I wanted to add collaboration on my post, but the button is not visible. So all I have to do is just to explain that you cannot see that specific option there to add collaboration, and then just simply send it, and you'll just have to wait for the Instagram customer support to get back to you, and they're going to be the ones to rectify that. That's it. That's how you add collaboration on Instagram post after posting.